Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Jason here. I'm going to give you a nice video of a 2005 MOFFETT M4000E. This thing's a lighter MOFFETT, weighs 4,500 pounds, but can also pick up 4,500 pounds. She's sitting here with a new seat, new exhaust pipe, new tires, rebuilt injection pump, and new injectors. Now this thing has been completely disassembled. We take off the roll cage and many of these gray parts you see here, paint them, and then put it back together. That way we can get in there and clean it good, get paint on all the surfaces so you have a long lasting finish. Now ladies and gentlemen, we go in here and refurbish these. Now look, as you can see, there's new hoses where we find the hoses that need to be replaced. We find anything bad like pins, bushings, mass bearings, mass chains, anything of that matter, it's fixed. If we find any leaks in the cylinders, or we find hydraulic motors or a hydraulic pump is weak, we do a pressure test. We make sure that that's fixed too. Now take a look at that new seat. Thing is sitting nice and shiny. I'm going to walk around and show you this here. This paint is really good. Take a look at the engine bay. There's your Kubota engine. Now we're going to fire this up and give you a little bit of a demonstration on this thing. We'll show you some mast operations. Hear that Kubota come to life. There's your mast going up and down. We have tilt and side shift. We also have outriggers. There's your mast going out and in. There's your outriggers. Now we're going to go ahead and show you how nice the motor runs and how good the pump is. Look how it's all in sync. This thing has all new lights. It's ready to go to work. Now ladies and gentlemen, we've gone in here, we've changed the oil, we've changed the filters. You're ready to hit the ground running. We'll give you what we call an operational guarantee. When it hits the ground at your place, it's going to be conditioned. I've said here today, we're going to help you get it fixed. Also, we're going to give you a 30-day warranty on this engine that you can be confident to buy online. Now, the operational guarantee is very short term, ladies and gentlemen, just when it gets there, but you can buy it and know that you're going to be able to go to work. Now, let's take a look back here again, show you how nice this is one more time. And you give us a call at 260-238-4998. You can check us out on the web. 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thank you so much.